Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this cute little DIY farmhouse mirror. I got the inspiration and idea from Bargain Bethany. I will link her video down below. She's got such cool ideas. So I've been wanting to do this for a while. I had all the products and I just hadn't gotten around to doing it. Pretty much everything I bought was either from Dollar Tree or stuff I already had in the house. So I will link below everything I used and I'll show you guys how I made it. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut off the tag to this. This is the little garden fence, and I'm pouring a little bit of my paint out and I'm just going to sponge it on with this little makeup sponge. I saw Bargain Bethany do this and I was like, that is such a brilliant idea, because you could just throw these little things away and it goes on really easily. So next I'm just going to be taking off all of the cardboard on the frames and removing the mirrors, and we're going to go ahead and paint all of these. And I ended up doing 2 coats on everything, and it still gave it like a little bit of like a rustic distressed look, because you could still see some of the other color peeking through, so 2 coats was perfect. And next I'm just taking my E6000 glue and I'm just going to start gluing the picture frames together. And I found if you laid them horizontally, they match up with the fence almost perfect. So I liked it better horizontal rather than the vertical. And now I'm just cutting a little piece of the foam board off because it was a little bit too long on the bottom, and it isn't quite wide enough to cover the entire, all the mirrors, but I think it'll be okay because the backings are going to be on them, so it's going to be pretty sturdy. So then you're just going to want to put the mirrors back in, and then you're going to want to concentrate on gluing the foam board on. So the glue gun I was using, like, I don't know, it just wasn't sticking very well, so it did take me some time to get that thing glued on. I'm gonna have my husband help me with some, he's got some glue like in a caulk gun, and we're gonna really reinforce it with that. And now you're gonna want to go ahead and glue on the little fence to the top, and I just used my glue gun and stuck right on there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and clean up the mirrors a little bit. And now it's time to make the little flower wreath. So I was about like halfway done with it and I realized that my camera wasn't recording, so I just cut off all the flowers and I'm just hot gluing them onto the little wreath. And then now I'm just going to take my string and I just cut off maybe like a 1 foot long piece and I just tied it up on there. And that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will link Bethany's video down below because I totally copied her. She totally inspired me to do this. So I hope you guys liked it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.